Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. So if you saw my video from a few days ago, I shared 5 easy and healthy snack ideas, and today I want to take it up a notch and share with you 1-minute snack ideas. So these are all very quick to make. Eating healthy when it comes to snacking doesn't have to be complicated, it doesn't have to be overwhelming, it can be so simple and so straightforward and not take long at all. So let's jump right into the 1-minute snacks. So the first snack that we're going to be making are banana cinnamon rice cakes. There's so many great combinations for rice cakes, but I love this one. All you need is your favorite nut or seed butter. I have sunflower seed butter here. Spread that on top of your rice cake. Take a banana. I like to use about half a banana and just slice it up, and then place those little slices onto your rice cake. Add a little sprinkle of hemp seeds for some additional protein and healthy fats, and a little bit of cinnamon, and that's it. You're good to go. Sweet and delicious, and I love it. I could eat a million of them. The next snack recipe that I have here for you is chocolate hemp milk. This is definitely one of my favorite things to make because hemp seeds blend up very easily in a blender. You don't generally need to strain them. More convenient than, let's say, making other nut milks where you have to soak them and strain them. So you need 4 tablespoons of hemp seeds, 2 tablespoons of cacao powder, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, and 2 cups of water, and you just blend it up and you get the smoothest, creamiest, protein-rich, healthy fat-rich chocolate milk. And so good for you and so tasty. You can pour this into a larger container or make a larger batch, store it in the fridge for a couple of days, and it makes a great little drink to sip on whenever you're feeling like you want something a little bit sweet. The next snack that I have here, you might have heard of these, are pecan stuffed dates. You can of course use any other nut that you like, and all you do is take a medjool date, you peel it in half, make sure that you remove the pit that's in the middle, and you just stuff it with a pecan. I personally love using pecans for this because they taste so caramelly. It's like eating pecan pie, but you can use a walnut or any other nut that you like, and that's all you do. Peel it in half, remove the pit, stuff it with your favorite nut. It's just so delicious. If you've never done this before, you're gonna freaking love it. Takes 2 seconds to do. The next snack here is a little similar, and these are some little apple pie bites, and it's just 3 ingredients. You're just gonna slice up an apple till you have a few slices, sprinkle on some cinnamon, and plop some pecans on there, and there you have it. Pecans have got to be my favorite nut out of all of them in terms of flavor, but they are also very rich in minerals, really great for our heart and our bones. And on the topic of fruit, I just want to mention how amazing pretty much all fruits are for being a really quick fast food on the go snack. So strawberries, apple, banana, throw some nuts, walnuts, pecans, nut butter, they're all excellent. Pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds also make great snacks on their own or with other types of fruit. And on that note, I gotta say banana and nut butter, like hazelnut butter or peanut butter, is one of the best combinations out there. The next snack I've got for you is avocado and sea salt. Again, another very quick snack that sometimes I even forget makes such a great snack. All you do is you're gonna cut open an avocado and you just sprinkle on some sea salt and eat it just like that, almost like you're eating it out of a bowl. If you want, you can also add a squeeze of lime or some chili flakes or some cracked black pepper. And the last 1-minute snack that I have to share with you are these tuna Dijon bites. All you gotta do is slice up some zucchini. You can also use a gluten-free cracker if you would like, and top the slices with some canned tuna or salmon if you would like, a little bit of Dijon or grainy mustard, or you can use yellow mustard if you prefer, and an olive on top. And that's it. Super simple, and you get some good fats from the fish and the olives, and you're good to go. And that's it for my 1-minute snack ideas for you all. I hope you found this video helpful. Leave me a comment below if you like to make any super easy snacks similar to this. I would love to hear from you, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.